Hello and welcome back to the HomeServe Hints blog. Clean filters are crucial for the efficiency of your home heating system. You can replace your furnace filter in a few easy steps. Keep safety in mind first. Always turn off the furnace before doing anything. After that, check the existing filter to determine the size, which will be printed on its cardboard frame. Next, purchase the correct replacement from a home improvement center or online. Finally, install the filter in the direction of the arrows printed on the frame. You should replace your furnace filter at least every 3 months, so make sure you take note of when you changed it. Being prepared for home heating system issues is important. Having a plan from HomeServe before the issue occurs can help with the covered costs. Thanks for watching. Check back soon for more HomeServe tips.